Hi, welcome back to Chef Upuli's Fiery Flavors. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the quick guacamole sandwich. You can have for dinner or lunch or what you like. This is my ingredients. Cilantro or coriander leaves and already chopped, and onion chopped, and tomato and jalapeno or serrano pepper. I took the serrano pepper because of that. I took little because my husband cannot eat too spicy. So one avocado, pepper, salt, butter, and 2 slices of bread. So I'm going to toast this bread in my pan because I'm going to apply some butter. If you are actually with the butter is so tasty, so I'm going to add it little bit butter, not too much, and it give you nice brown color. It's like a caramel color. It's so tasty, and with the brown bread and everything, it come in very nicely. So I'm going to apply some butter. I'm going to toast this. While toasting my bread, I'm going to make the guacamole. So I'm going to cut my avocado. So if you are not sure, don't do it with the hand. Avocado look good, so I'm going to use the spoon and take all my avocado. I take like this little bit. While I'm taking avocado, I try to take not the whole big piece, little by little, and easy for me to chop. Okay, so I got all my avocado chopped a little bit. So I'm going to add pepper. And salt. So see the look of my one side of the bread, and I turn it the other side and I put the little bit butter on the pan. Then it's going to be absorbed into my bread, and now they are toasting the other side. Hi, I'm sorry I forgot to mention the lemon juice or lime juice. So this is like a 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So we are going to add these 5 main ingredients to our avocado to make the guacamole. So I'm going to add first onion. I like more onion, so I add more onion. And the cilantro and our lemon juice. So all the ingredient is onion, tomato, cilantro, any kind of pepper you like. If there's somebody in Sri Lanka, you can get the green chili. We don't have a green chili much. And the pepper and salt. That's all I need for this, my guacamole sandwich. Look at this. This is my everything. I know this is everything is enough, like a salt and pepper. My mouth is watering, and someone also waiting to eat this. Okay, now we are going to make the sandwich. Now the last part is to put this on our bread. See my bread look one side and the other side. So I'm going to use this dark color one for outer side, and I'm going to make this. Okay, now I'm going to put generous amount of guacamole into my sandwich. To close it, then I'm going to cut it. Look at this delicious guacamole sandwich. We make this with avocado. Main thing was avocado. This healthy, good protein and really good for you. This is the final version of my guacamole sandwich. I know my husband is came from work. He is waiting to taste this. Here for you. You are ready to taste this guacamole sandwich?
Ready to taste.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Is that tasty?
Chef Upuli, you did it again.